Morning Breakfast television show, Morning Ride. I am Ololade Adenijadele. It's about the 5G, initiative that, the introduction of the 5G into the telecommunications and, of course, information technology world is what has brought about the coronavirus. There is nothing I won't hear. Okay, let's take this bait. We actually spoke with somebody, yesterday, and he gave us a few tips on what exactly the 5G is about.
I'll be talking about the 5G network that has been a problem in Nigeria for a long time. Many people have been giving some theories, some conspiracy theories concerning 5G. I want to look at it from the scientific angle. What is 5G? What are the harmful effects, if there is any? Is it connected with the coronavirus, as people have been saying, or not? These are the things I will look into now. First and foremost, 5G is a 5th generation network that was that started about last year in some countries. At present, there are about 34 countries that have adopted or installed 5G in their respective nations. It is a 5th generation network, as I've said, and scientifically, it doesn't have any harmful effects. 5G does not have any harmful effects because it is a non-ionizing radiation in the electromagnetic spectrum. When you look at this chart, it's an improvised technique which I have done so that the audience can understand what 5G is. 5G falls in this is the band where 5G falls. A whole range of these which make up the whole electromagnetic radiations and the electromagnetic waves is called an electromagnetic spectrum. When you look at the electromagnetic spectrum, you see this line, this blue line here, this blue line that went down, that goes down, this particular one. Every radiation in this section is known as a non-radiation, while this one is an ionizing radiation. We found that from here, 5G falls under non-ionizing radiation. It doesn't have any negative effects on the human body. As you look at this, as we move from here, going to this direction, this is increasing frequency. Increasing frequency and increasing photon is energy, are the same. The energy in 5G, this is the one in 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. We found that they fall under mobile phones and it falls under radio waves. Radio waves don't have a high energy to cause any mutation or denature the human deoxyribonucleic acid, known as DNA. When you talk of ionizing radiation, they are from ultraviolet ray, X-ray, gamma ray, and cosmic ray. These ones are very, very dangerous because the intensity of electromagnetic radiation from these ones are very, very high and can denature the human deoxyribonucleic acid when highly exposed for a long time. But the intensity of radiation, of the electromagnetic radiation from 5G is extremely infinitesimal. You can see it here. It is very, very small. So people that are giving conspiracy theory that 5G is causing one thing or the other, that conspiracy theory is wrong. I call it Janjaweed theory. There is nothing like 5G causing any harm to man. It has a very low energy. Finally, 5G does not have any connotation with COVID-19. It doesn't have any connotation because the emission is extremely small. Because it is small, it cannot go and cause a virus. As many people are having one problem or the other, thinking that it is 5G that is causing virus in their nations. It's just a coincidence that many nations just started incorporating 5G almost the same time that the coronavirus came.
Yes, of course, that was Stanley Chibiem talking about the 5G, really educating us on the fact that it is no conspiracy theory. It's basically, you know, a technological innovation. It's a network advancement, and basically to make life easier for each and every one of us, since the world is going, you know, has gone really into technological advancements, and we just have to key into it in Nigeria. So please discard all these stories that you hear